Hey guys, I hope you all well. How do you like my new hair color? I literally just dyed my hair like 5 minutes ago. It's a video on my channel on how I did it. I used the I Heart Revolution rainbow tones. This smells like the nicest shampoo ever. So in this video, as a tribute to this my new hair color, before it's gonna wear off, I'm gonna try create glam look using purple and like pinkish tones. So I think let's just do this, right? I'm not wearing any makeup yet. I tinted my brows a few days ago, so it's still super there, but I don't have anything else. And the gloss, I have a lip oiler. So on the lips I have Bear With Me Hemp Lip Conditioner by NYX. Other than that, my makeup on. Okay, I think first what we're gonna do is prep the eyes as I always do. So for that I'm gonna use Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer in C2. And the Conceal and Fix Loose Setting Powder in Translucent. So I don't ever use the makeup tape in my videos, but I thought for this look I might try to use it, although I'm not a fan of it just because I have super sensitive skin, but then this tape is made specially for that. For the eyeshadow palette today I chose this one by NYX, it's Licorice Lane, and I just think I'm gonna use these like purple shades. And then I wanted some like glitter and shimmers, so I took this palette by XX Revolution, the Amethyst Crystal Shadow Palette, as it has this nice shades, and then we have this like golden pink and purple colors. So I'm starting from this color first. I'm going, as you see, out the corner and then to the crease, and then blending through top, like higher where the orbital bone would be. Next thing I'm taking this shade and I'm gonna go with this on the outer corner of the mobile lid. Kinda drag slightly bit to the middle. I'm not gonna go to the crease. Just concentrate on this part. And then I'm taking the same fluffier brush we used before and just blend it. I'm taking this darker shade and I'm gonna concentrate with that on the outer corners with like a liner we would do, just to this here. And then taking the same brush I used before and smudging it with a fluffier brush that we started with this shade. I'm just slightly buffing it. So the next thing we're gonna do, I want to take this black color. Now with this, I'm gonna take the eyeliner brush and I'm gonna go close to the lash line as a flick. So I started from the part where is the tape, as you see, and then I just go in to the middle of the mobile lid, close to the lash line, and I'm not going close to the inner eye corner, just kind of to the middle of the eye. Alright, next thing I'm doing, I'm taking this BH Cosmetics 132 brush and I'm just gonna smudge this black color. Alright, so next thing is, before cleaning all this fallouts and everything, I'm gonna use the Amethyst palette by XX Revolution, and I think I'm just gonna go with this shade in the inner eye corner. Taking a small brush. Took a brush so I can be more precise on a top, because it's easier to do a finger, especially if you have nails like I do, to do closer to my lash line, but then the top closer to the crease is harder, so I just wanna blend this part and have enough shimmer in there. That's it. Okay, so shimmer is on. I don't want this obvious part where the shimmer stops, so I'm coming back to the same fluffy brush I used for this first color and for blending, and just gonna blend the edges. We don't have this obvious line. Alright, time to remove the tape. Okay, let's do this. Tape is off. Let's do a lower lash line and then we can do mascara and a falsies. So for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go with this darker purple, starting from the outer corner. So what's left tracked in it all. And then the inner eye corner in this part, we're gonna go with the amethyst palette and the same lilac shade. And then the inner eye corner we're gonna do after we have foundation and all, because now it would be just a waste. Okay, so for mascara I'm gonna go with my current favorite, which is NYX or the Hype Mascara. Alright, although I do love the way my lashes look with just a light layer of mascara, because my lashes got quite long as I'm using the Eye Glow Lash Serum, the Lash Grow Serum, and honestly guys, my lashes grew a lot since I started using this. So I think I want some falsies, because why not? So I'm gonna go with the Eye Glow Textured Lashes in number 117. You guys, it actually stuck on without using glue. I mean, they say it's pre-glue technology, I just wasn't buying that. Okay, it ain't bad. I wasn't expecting that. Trying these lashes for the first time. And I'm obsessed currently with magnetic ones, but these ones were not as messy as it didn't require glue. Okay, quite impressed actually. Okay, so next thing I'm gonna do, I'll do my face, foundation, setting powder, contour and all, and then I'm gonna come back to do the lower lash line and inner eye corner. So let's do that first. And I'm done with the face makeup. So let's just apply a bit of mascara on a lower lash line. So coming back to the same order for Hype by NYX. Lower lash line, lower lashes, that's what I meant to say. In the inner eye corner, because I want to brighten up a little bit, coming back to XX Revolution Amethyst palette, and I'm gonna go with this light pink shade. And for the lips, I think I'm gonna mix two Revolution Pro lipsticks. So the Hydra Matte Liquid Lipstick with hyaluronic acid and peptides, and a Diamond Lusher lipstick in Lullaby. And the makeup look is complete. What do you guys think? I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial and you found it helpful. And if you're gonna go and recreate this makeup look, please tag me in your pictures, as I would absolutely love to see that, how it's gonna end up looking on you and what's gonna be your variation of it. And if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more if you like I say this every single video. but it's true, it's so important. If you press that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. And leave a comment down below, let me know what you would like to see next up on my channel. Should I do more review videos, more tutorials? Or yeah, just talk to me, let me know. And I shall see you very soon in my next video. Have an amazing day, guys. Bye!